Hey y'all, it's Abby here in North Carolina. I wanted to share with you these amazing planters that I got from standwithnature.com. So these planters come in a pair and they're this beautiful sustainable wood in a dark mahogany color. They have actually 4 pieces to each one of them. There's the wooden tray that has these little cork bottoms to protect your surface, the plastic tray that's going to protect the wood when the water drips down, and then we have the main wooden planter, and then we have this awesome plastic insert that you can take out that has drainage holes in the bottom, and then there's also a drainage hole here, so it's going to go in down there, and there's little tiny rubber little stopper things that will protect the wood from getting wet because it elevates it up a little bit. And then with this plastic container, I really love these because I'm going to show you. You can see the whole root system, you can see the soil, you can know the water level, and they're pretty awesome. It protects the wood, and I really like these a lot. So we pop that back in there, pop that back in there. I highly recommend these. I love them. I can't wait to get some more.